Ready to go for a stroll?
Kinda. It's got a little thing on the glass. What are your first thoughts?
Of course, there's a river crossing.
This is typical.
This is super
Look,
pretty though.
look, dude. The western columbine. To the left?
Oh, straight ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, big old saddle.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna go straight up that and then cut it.
Yep.
Oof. All onion. It stretches back over to there too. All this purple stuff that we're hiking by. It's all wild onion. Look at that. I think the morning frost got him.
You did?
No. Look. Oh. So he's still alive. It's just since it's cold out, his body got frosted overnight. See, that's not me. That's him moving his little wings.
Maybe you're helping him out to build base.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You've been eating wild onion.
It's like, oh, look at him. He's trying to get his body going. Oh, oh. Put him in the sun. I'll keep him on us for a little bit.
Run over that way.
Set him off in the sun over here so he could try to warm up. Just set him right on this rock since the rock will probably generate the most heat. There you go. Here you go, little buddy. So that's where we came from. That's the West Fork Pahsimeroi down there. it's all loose rock and gravel. So from here, we're just scrambling up the scree, trying to hold on to any rock that doesn't move. Yeah, once we're up there, we'll see where we're at. And it's kind of hard to film this stuff, but I'll try to stop in between and get stuff like this. So Hill decided to climb up a rock wall. I find myself in the chute right now. It's kind of steep, it's really loose, but if I stay on the black rock, a lot of these aren't crumbly. He accidentally kicked some rocks, and I swear they're flying like 5 feet above my head.
It's muddy right here.
Really?
And there's like snow in the rock.
The rain melt off? Run off, I mean. Yeah, we had to climb up that. Mm-hmm. Oh man. We've been rock scrambling and rock climbing the whole way up from the saddle. And there was a few times where it got really sketchy. You had to back up and find a new route. There goes Hill. Almost at the peak.
It's a good view of the Mackey Reservoir.
Yeah. I didn't think it was that big.
It's not too big.
That's true.
It's huge. My legs are killing me. We're halfway there. There's like a mini saddle up here, and then it is like the final. I think it's the final ascent.
Full of shit too, Guerrero. It was a fish that hit you. I knew you were full of shit. Dude! That's another one down! Dude, this was almost harder than Borah.
I think it was easier just because all of the trail up to the saddle was very easy.
Yeah.
Besides that, just right up to the saddle, that was kind of hard.
True.
But yeah,
The last descent,
that was very loose.
it was not Chicken Out Ridge style, but it was definitely terrible.
Yeah. You're really not worried about edges or anything like that.
Yeah, I was just worried about sliding down. I don't know. Look, there's the easy way.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so if you guys ever come this way, climb there. You down to go down that way?
Oh yeah.
And then cut down into the bowl?
Yeah, I think I remember where I left my hat.
Okay. Now let's find this marker. There's got to be one.
We still gotta write our name.
Yeah. Yeah, Hill, I'm down to take that route down. I'm not really trying to slip. As much as I like slip, I ain't trying to slip. So that right over there is Mount Borah. And on our Borah video, when we decided to climb down in the dark, the first part, when the video first starts, is right there, very peak. We had to slide down all of that in the dark, and we'd turn off our flashlights, and one of us would use a flashlight every now and then, the other one wouldn't, and one of them, we would close our eyes. Like Hill would close his eyes, and I would go turn the light on just so we can see what we're looking at. But one of us could keep night vision, so when we go back to turn the light off, one of us can still see. Then we eventually got to the saddle, and Chicken Out Ridge is all that right there. Sketchiest part of Borah, and we had to do all that in the dark. And that's, my phone fell like right about there, like right where the saddle goes, it goes up, and it started sliding right off that cliff. Yeah, there's Borah. And there's Hill.
This range right here should be the White Clouds, if I'm not mistaken. This far one on the skyline.
Yeah.
And the one south of that should be the Boulder Mountains.
Boulder Mountains is Boulder Mountains where Heineman's at?
I don't know.
Heineman's somewhere out that way. Pretty sure Heineman's...
And Smiley, is it Smiley or Shelly?
Shelly and Smiley are out that way somewhere. I think Heineman's this way, hill. Straight out that way. I thought that was White Clouds out there.
Maybe it's White Clouds.
Yeah. Might just be that whole range.
Oh. Look at Pass Lake. Pretty.
We'll probably be out this way for a different time. Yeah, so when you follow up the West Pahsimeroi, it comes this way, and you can just walk up to the lake. So we'll probably be out here fishing at some point. Oh, that's good. The audio might be a little bit bad, but...
Wait. There might be a flag in here. I really hope there's a flag. I like flags.
I like the flags.
Yes. Leatherman Peak, elevation 12,228. Says hike more. Oh.
Hey, let me hold it.
You sure? Oh, look, 9 of 9. This might be a group.
No, there's a bunch of different dates.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, there was a marker in here, huh?
Yeah.
Let's sign that. I'll put third 12er.
I'm gonna put same.
Take these sunglasses off. Let's just say. Keep looking at that.
I'll look for after.
It says come in from the West Fork Pahsimeroi Trail.
Pahsimeroi.
Oh, there is an I there. Yeah, it's on a crease. Hiking due west toward Leatherman Pass. Yeah, between peak 11,909 and Leatherman. Follow the gully up to Cirque at 10 to 800. From here, either hit the northeast face or continue up the gully, the ridge at 11,800, and follow the ridge. Oh, it's just basically directions.
We did not do that.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of crap. There's a card in here. Blown dog woofing. Oh, they missed out on a real big chance for a pun there.
Yeah.
Brown dog woofing.
We'll just go to there. Approach, man. You think go straight and then we get to those trails out that way, cut it down?
Yeah, you kind of slides down and try to follow.
Okay. Really?
Kind of see this outcropping right there.
Yeah.
If we're supposed to go right of that, kind of where it looks shallow, or if we're supposed to go down left of that.
I think if we just keep going down straight to where the snow patches are, we'll be good.
Okay. I just don't know if there's a spot to get down from there, you know?
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a drop off.
Okay.
It'll be a little sketchy, but we got this. Nothing like we already did. See if you guys can listen to this. All the snow melt from up there is trickling down under the rocks. Yes! How was it? Oh, my hand's frozen. My hand's frozen.
So fucking cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
I don't think this is safe.
It's not. Oh. Oh, fuck! Oh! Oh, shit, dude. Oh. Oh, man. This is ice. I'm trapped. I need a minute.
Action shot. I'm gonna be the first to say it's a bad idea.
Oh, dude, transition on the ground. This one's not as icy. Ew. Oh shit, 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 shit. Stop! Stop! Stop!
trying to grab you.
Stop! 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 Oh! I almost transitioned into a stand. Oh, yes! I thought you were pushing me into the boulder.
No, I was grabbing you. Yeah.
Now you need to find your hat.
Yeah, it was slightly crooked. See it? Slightly, but ah! Oh, my toe. And my sunburns. It hurt me too. Ow. Roll over. Dude, we did it. Another successful mountain.
Look at that truck.
Look at that truck. Go hug it.
Look at him go.
How do you feel?
I feel like we can do another one.
Ew.
Look at him. He ain't ready. You're not about it.
Give me that Ziploc baggie.